What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Maximus, and this right here is an Odyssey Neo G7 monitor. So today we're going to be unboxing it, and there's something really important you need to know about this monitor because there's actually two different models. They sell for a different price, but they look identical. So we're going to go over that as well. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. This thing is huge. Okay, so I'm not actually able to reach above it, so I'm going to bring it down on the floor, and then I'll just take the stuff out of it. Okay, on the left side here, we just got the manual. Comes with an HDMI cable. It also comes with the power cable. Over here, we've got the, looks like a stand or a wall mount. And then we got this big piece of styrofoam. And then right here we have this is like a really heavy steel plate. This is so it remains stable. And here is the monitor. Wow. This thing is huge. Check out the back of that thing as well. It's got that beautiful white color to it. Nice gloss finish. So something important I want you guys to know about this monitor. This is the Odyssey Neo G7 monitor. Now there's actually a couple of them on the market. There's actually two. One, this is the serial number. I'll put it up on the screen. And the other one is this one, okay? The first one is more expensive. And then this one, I found on Best Buy for $4.99. And I was like, what's the difference? They're both the Neo G7 monitor. So what the difference is, so the more expensive one has HDR10 Plus and HDR600 that is VESA certified, and then the cheaper one just has HDR10 Plus. What is VESA certified? It's basically just a compliance program for HDR. Both monitors here have a 1 millisecond response time, and they both have a contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1, which basically means that the colors really pop. And they both have an aspect ratio of 16:9. And one of the major big differences here is that the more expensive one has HDMI 2.1 ports. It's the one that can support like 4K at 120 frames per second or something like that. So you can put a lot more data through it. For this monitor, it has like standard HDMI cables. So if you plug a PlayStation in or you plug something in that can do 4K, this monitor won't be able to show it and take that information through the cable. So what you can do as an alternative is you can buy this cheaper monitor and then you get an adapter for your display port because the display port can do 4K, and then you can attach an HDMI cable to display port with an adapter. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So we're gonna go ahead, put the mount on this thing, plug it in, and see what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna open up the stand. Okay, so this right here just basically clips into the monitor like that. And this little rubber thing on the top, I believe that is for to run your cables through, to hide them. And then we got this steel base, which is heavy. And it already has all the screws in it, so we're basically just going to put this on the bottom like that. And then we just got to screw it in. So we're just going to go ahead and put all these screws in. There's 4 on the actual mount, and then at the bottom at the base there's another 3 which screw in. And they're all just Phillips screwdrivers, which it doesn't seem like you get one in here. There is something in here I should open up actually. Oh, this is just the remote inside the baggage right here that comes with the cables. That right there is just the remote. I thought that was something else for this. So we're just gonna go ahead, put all these Phillips in. You don't want to put these screws in too tight because you don't want to strip any of these screws. So you just want to put it in so it's just snug. All right, here we go. Wow, this thing's actually got some pretty good weight to it. Okay. Here's the power cord. It's the moment. Oh, I think we just gotta turn it on. Hold on. This right here is the remote. So it's just a standard remote, nothing too special. So let's see. It's on. It's on. Bonjour. Now we want English.
Options. How would you like to get started?
So one thing I do want to say that I noticed right away is that, but this is a super responsive remote, which I do like. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, take the monitor inside where the Wi-Fi can reach, and then we'll go ahead, put on some like high definition videos and see what it looks like. Okay, good. Now let's look up some 4K video here. So yeah, this remote is super nice, super responsive. Alright guys, so that is the video for the unboxing of the Odyssey Neo G7 monitor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This monitor will be used in an upcoming project. It's going to be super exciting, so stick around. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and also leave a like. You can also follow me on Instagram at KB_KingBills for more updates. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.